We continue the mesh menu and reach the remove category, and here the collapse, melt, dissolve. Here I make them undock and the menu is here. It's very simple. Before selecting collapse, the collapse to object together. It's very simple. For example, I select some points, for example those points, and collapse them to each other, one point in the middle of them. Or for example, you select edges here, any edges that you want, it's collapse them in one point. This is just collapse. It's very simple. For deleting the edges and the point, the melt and dissolve, all of these tools delete the edges and points, not surfaces, the polygons. I want to give you an example which this tool. If you're going, for example, here and select one edge here and melt, as you can see, delete or dissolve it. It's do the same. But what is the difference between the melt and dissolve? The very important difference they have. If you, for example, select these edges, right click, I will explain that tool to connect. It's connect them with the line. And as you can see, we have a point, we created points between them. Go into the edge and select these lines. And the first tool is melt. You can delete them, or it's very simple. As you can see, but we have this section. We have those points. Remind and create an n-gon for you. But if you go into the edge and dissolve them, it dissolves the points also. Okay, so when you want to keep that point, melt them. If you want to dissolve or delete any line with their points, you can dissolve them. But if you go into the polygon, you cannot melt them or cannot dissolve them. You can collapse them, because in the collapse, the polygon is create from the edges and the point. You can collapse, but you cannot melt or dissolve. Okay, you can or you can simply click and delete. Oh, sorry, you can, as you can see, if you delete an edge, if you delete it, it will be gone. And if the edge that's gone, the corresponding polygons will be gone. But if you want to delete them without affecting the polygon, you have to melt or, of course, dissolve. The better is dissolve. But in this case, it does not differ because the points is there always because of that lines. Okay, that's it. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.